So I got this regular watch on Amazon for like 22 bucks. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of it and then a comparison between the smartwatch. So this is a Casio, like classic style. I think the packaging is awesome. Just class, very classy, you know. It didn't come like, it came like, comes like this comes off and then you got it in this thing. And what it is the front comes off like that. Slides out. Boom. 10-year battery. So yeah, I mean, I feel like regular watches are making a comeback. I've had this Apple Watch, this is a Series 2, for a long time. I mean, I got no complaints on it. Like, I've had that watch for like 8 years. It's a Series 3 it is. The Nike one. Maybe 7 or 8 years. I got it in like 2017, I think. And it still works great, you know? But something about like, and I always have it on, I do have it on like notifications, not really on, so it's not like always bothering me, but it's kind of something about being always connected, where these original watches, man. So this one, I had to get this one just because I think it's so cool. Let's see, look at this. Oh man, feels like 80s. And then it's got like the time zones, so like that map there. I haven't really messed with it yet, obviously. Maybe I'll take the plastic off just for, since I'm doing a video. I mean, people might be very satisfied. It's a very satisfying peel. Let's do it. Oh, so the plastic has been peeled. But yeah, what do you guys think? Like, has anyone gone back to a regular watch from a smartwatch? I feel like each has their time and place. No pun intended, you know, but I'm ready to go back to a regular watch. I mean, it is nice being able to like answer. Sometimes I've actually answered calls on this and stuff, or like, but the thing is you got to charge this every day. But the battery does still last all day, which is nice. And it's kind of the smaller one, so if you look at the size, like, pretty similar in size. This is thicker though, you know, the Apple Watch is thicker than, this is a little thinner, I guess. Not much. They're pretty similar. It's a little thinner. But yeah, so that's the unboxing of the Casio World Time 31TZ. It has 5 alarms, 100-meter water resistant. And I like how they have they have the little book in here. Just push on here to get it out. So I'm gonna go through this later to figure out how to, like, you know, set it up and everything. I just think it's a very, for 22 bucks. I mean, I think the original price was like $29.99, but it's a classy little watch, man. And Casio is Casio is such a good brand, really. Don't get me wrong. I mean, I think the Apple Watch, I got no complaints on it. It's been a very long time I've had this, and it's still in really good shape. So, but I think there's something to be said about just a regular watch. And this design, I just couldn't pass it up, man. For 22 bucks, freaking cool, right? Alright, well, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. These 2 different watches. I guess mostly it's a, you know, unboxing Casio World Time watch. But I did show a little bit about the comparison, and like, yeah, I just think that smartwatches can be like kind of, you know, we're too connected. We're just too connected. So like when you want to disconnect, but you still need a watch, there you go. And you can still, I find I put mine on like do not disturb mode a lot and stuff. But I don't know, there's something to be said about just a classic watch. Let me know what y'all think. Alright, later.